Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Boyle and I'm with the Sylvia Group Insurance Agency out of Dartmouth, Massachusetts. You can also connect with me through Gordon Atlantic Insurance, which is located in Norwell, Mass. Today I'd like to do a real quick Homeowners 101, and this would be great for people that are doing some research for their first purchase of a home, and with that they're going to need their first insurance policy. So first and foremost, you're going to need the replacement cost. We're going to need to figure out how much insurance to put on the home for your coverage A dwelling amount. So that's your replacement cost. And how do we go about to figuring that out? Well, a lot of different factors go into play for that. That's going to be the year the home was built. It's going to take into account the square footage of the property, how many bathrooms, is there a custom kitchen, is the basement finished, what type of flooring throughout the house, what type of wall covering, the type of roof, is there an attached garage, is there an attached deck, or perhaps even a farmer's porch. So all of that is going to come into play in how we determine the replacement cost for the home. Another factor is going to be the structure and system updates. So is it an older home that you're purchasing or a new home that you're purchasing? With older homes, the carriers are going to want to know all the updates. Okay, so that's going to be the age of the roof, age of the heating system. When was the last time the electric has been updated? Are there knob and tube fuse boxes in the house? Are there circuit breakers? And have there been updates to the plumbing? All of the carriers are going to want to make sure that these system updates have been done within the last 25 years. If they haven't, we can still place coverage for you. It's just going to be at a little bit of a higher premium. You're going to want to know a proximity to a hazard. How close are you to a coast, right? Because that could very well mean that you need to purchase flood insurance. You could also be subject to a wind or a hurricane deductible. Municipal fire safety. How close are you to a fire hydrant? How close are you to the fire department? These things are going to factor into the premium for your homeowner's policy as well. Lastly, what you need to think about is liability exposure. Does the property have a pool? Is it above ground? Is it below ground? Is there a fence surrounding the pool? Are you going to put a trampoline in your backyard for your kids to play on? Do you have a dog? All of these really factor into the premium, the carriers that we can place you with. So when you're shopping for homeowners insurance, I hope that you reach out to me at the Gordon Atlantic Insurance Agency or Sylvia Group. I hope this information was helpful.